Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where in 2021, there's a lot of great things going on. Today is day 3 of the 7-day challenge. Love yourself to health and fitness. What did you have for snack today? Tell me. Put it in the comment section. I really want to know what you had for snack today. If it was a candy bar, if it was popcorn, potato chips, or if you just didn't have a snack at all. I want to know what you had for your snack. Let me tell you what I had. I had this delicious apple, this Honey Crisp apple. It was juicy and sweet, very tasty. And then I had carrot sticks and celery sticks with the all-natural, no sugar peanut butter. Yes. But let me ask you a question. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That is something that I've heard all of my life. Now, let me know in the comment section, do you really think that that's a true statement, that an apple a day keeps the doctor away? And if so, tell me why you think so. I want to know what your thoughts is behind that, but I also definitely want to know what you have for your snack. So don't forget, review the full video, leave me the genuine comment pertaining to the video, then thumbs me up and share me out because sharing is caring. And then go down below, subscribe to the channel, and go right next door and click that notification bell so that you can be notified of my videos when they are uploaded. Don't forget, I'm a Juice Plus rep, and my link is in the description box as well. Thank you again for joining me today. See you on day 4. Love you long time. Bye-bye now. I know you guys didn't think I was going to let it go without you seeing me get my physical fitness in today. I am hula hooping today for 1.5 hours. Yes! And I did my crunches. Your girl is on it. So make sure you go to the description box. See my Juice Plus information, the 1, 2, 3 information. See you next time. Bye now.